Very good morning, folks. Welcome to Cars Live. I'm your host Shiraz. Today we have a new deal, fantastic deal on a Maruti Suzuki Ertiga with us. It's a 2013 model VDI diesel version, single owner, driven just about 90,000 kilometers. Okay, I know driven slightly little higher, but it's maintained well though. Okay, so let me take you through the entire video, the entire details of the car. Okay, what's the condition, the mechanical, the body line, entire interiors of the car, or inside the boot, all will be told to you, and any accidents or any repairs done, any polish, any painting done, everything will be explained during the video for you. Okay, so hold on tight and let me explain you about the Ertiga. So this is the Ertiga 2013 model VDI. Okay, it's a diesel version. The VDI comes with the ABS as well. It's a silky silver in color. The body is very excellent in condition, neatly maintained. There are no accidents whatsoever. The car has not been painted at all. Okay, I've just gone through the 3M care polish and touch up done on the bumpers, okay, and on the fender on the right side, which to the video I'll take you through it. So let's take you through the entire right side borderline of the car. Let's see how genuine the car is. The right side door is all with the company sealing, as you can see, with the double sealing over here. This is all in genuine original condition. The right side back door is also genuine with the company sealing. Okay, it's intact, so it's not been replaced. The overall fender and everything is good. The bumper has slight one or two scratches noticed over here. Okay, the back boot is also neat and clean. There are no dents and scratches on the boot as well. Let's open and check it out. The boot is also genuine with the company sealing over here. All the poles and everything are intact. You can see the company sealing marks over here. Okay, so the insurance so far not claimed till date whatsoever. It's all in its genuine condition. You can see the seals mark, company seals, right? It's all in its company seal and it's genuine over here. Okay, so the entire Ertiga comes with a 7-seater engine. In fact, I used to drive it and 8 people can comfortably drive in and sit in over here. It's a luxurious one. Back is not that comfortable for a few adults, but I think one or two adults can accompany over here. But a quite company and luxurious, spacious sedan that we have. SUV. Sorry, the Ertiga is always called as an LUV, light utility vehicle. It's a shorter version of the Innova. So the back side of the Ertiga, the left side of it is very clean. The back fenders, okay, the quarter panels, there are no dents and scratches. The left side back door is also genuine. You can see the company sealing over here. It's all intact. The left side front door is also genuine over here with the company sealing all intact. Okay, the left side fender over here, it has scratches and dents, so this has been painted once. Okay, mind you, there are just small scratches and dents over here which has been painted over here. As you can see, some paint bubble marks. Okay, so we can know that painted. The bumper also had scratches and dents, so the entire bumper has been painted once as well. Okay, the tires of the car, since the car is around 90,000 kilometers, the tires are still in the company tires itself. These are brand OEM company tires, and let me tell you, even after, in spite of running 90,000 kilometers, the tire are still in good condition over here. There are no wear and tear on the tires noticed. Okay, the tire still has buttons. The tires are good for about 10 to 15,000 kilometers. In fact, that's surprisingly good because the car has been used only for long drives and highways. So you can see the back tire as well. Okay, quite okay. It's not gone yet, so the buttons are there. So another about 20% life left, 20 to 25% life left, which is about another 10,000 kilometers can be driven on these tires, surprisingly. Okay, so all the other tires are on the same condition. So let's take you through the interior. So let's proceed now to see the interiors of the car, what the Ertiga VDI has to offer in store. Okay, so the Ertiga, the VDI model 2013 comes with the ABS as well. It comes loaded with features of power steering, all 4 doors, power windows, AC, central locking with remote control. Okay, and it also has automatic over here and mirror adjustments as well for you. Okay, the Ertiga also comes with a 7-seater seating capacity. Okay, it all comes with loaded with leather interiors. In fact, leathers have been added extra. The company interiors are on these cotton colors over here. The back side of the car is quite spacious enough. Okay, as compared to the Innova, it's quite good and spacious over here. The back seat is not that comfortable, but yeah, I think kids and a small adult who's skinny can fit in the backside. Okay, the Ertiga also comes with the rear AC options as well, with the rear AC vents and switch on off as well for the back seats too. Okay, with the backlights, the armrest. Okay, quite spacious. You can see over here too. So that's about the Ertiga over here. It has the multimedia CD player, FM, aux and USB output as well, with the ASP and the trays as well. Okay, doesn't have a armrest over here. I think the armrest should be added extra later on. So that's about the Ertiga interiors. Let's see what's under the hood of the car. Let's see how the engine and the performance of the car is. Okay, so the Ertiga VDI comes with a robust 1250cc liter engine. It's a DDIS engine, Suzuki engine, which is the best one in class. The diesel Ertiga comes always loaded with a turbo pickup engine as well. The battery is very new. It's just about 6 months old. It has a warranty for next another 3.5 years. In fact, it's an Exide battery. The engine is overall very neat and very smooth. There are no oil leakages or backlog or back compression, engine back compression, because it's been maintained very well by the company itself. All the company sealing, the apron, the chassis, the upper, lower cross member, upper cross member are all intact. Okay, the engine oil, everything has been serviced recently itself. So next service is due at about another 10,000 kilometers. Okay, you can see the right side of the left side of the apron is also very neat and clean. It's with the company sealing all intact together. It's with the original company headlights, all the fittings and accessories too. And the bonnet is also company sealing. It's all in its genuine and original condition. So the engine is superb. I've taken a test drive on the car. The Ertiga looks super clean, and the suspension, the gearbox is all fantastic in the car. So that's the Ertiga that you saw over here. It's a 2013 model VDI with ABS. Okay, it's a single owner driven car. It has comprehensive insurance, still under company tires in spite of running 90,000 kilometers. And the tires are still good. In fact, it can run for another about 10 to 15,000 kilometers too. Okay, and the car borderline is very excellent, very neat in condition. There are no accidents, no insurance claims so far. It's always been company recorded service and company maintained as well. Okay, the Ertiga gives you a mileage of about 18 in city and should give you about 20 to 21 on highways too. It's actually a 1.25 liter engine. It's a 1250cc engine. Okay, it's not even a 1.3, so it gives you a good mileage. It has a turbo pickup, in fact, turbo engines. Okay, quite spacious on the road. It has a better road grip as well. Okay, the VDI doesn't come with airbags or alloys. It comes only with the VDI, comes only with the ABS options. So this is a 2013 Ertiga. It's a single owner diesel version. It's a kilometer done about 90,000 kilometers. The price quoted for this beauty is about 6.5 lakhs. It's slightly negotiable for the right buyer. Okay, so just my number is mentioned on the post. So just take your phones and do give me a call. While this beautiful Ertiga, the LUV, the light utility vehicle, could be yours. So thank you for watching Cars Live. Have a good Sunday. Happy weekend.